People's Democratic Party (PDP) has criticized President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for failing to appoint ambassadors more than a year after the recall of former envoys. The party described it as a reflection of the ineptitude and indifferences of the All Progressive Congress (APC)-led government. NaijaNews reports that this development follows the recall of 83 ambassadors in September 2023, a move prompted by a reassessment of Nigeria's foreign policy under President Tinubu. The ambassadors, a mix of career and non-career envoys, were instructed to return to Nigeria by October 31, 2023, signaling a shift in diplomatic strategy aimed at realigning Nigeria's global engagements. Foreign Affairs Minister Ambassador Yusuf Tuga stated that the recall was at the president's discretion, emphasizing it as part of a broader strategy to strengthen Nigeria's international representation. However, the absence of immediate replacement has created a diplomatic void, drawing criticisms from stakeholders. Speaking to The Punch on Wednesday, the PDP Deputy National Youth Leader, Timothy Osadolo, called the situation unfortunate and emphasized that it should be a matter of concern for all Nigerians. He stated, "Well, every time one has to comment on Tinubu's performance as president or as chief administrator of this country, one is forced to do so with a melancholic feeling of despair. It is not about Tinubu anymore or about me criticizing him. It's about the system that his ineffectiveness has created for Nigeria and Nigerians. The truth is, a man who cannot even appoint a single spokesperson and needs 3 spokespersons, no one needs to tell you that the man is clueless and has nothing to offer Nigerians. That's why he needs more than 1, 2, or 3 people to explain to Nigerians what he's doing or what he's about to do. That he cannot even appoint ambassadors speaks volumes." The current situation regarding the ambassadorial appointment tells you the level of ineptitude and indifferences he has brought into the government in this 21st century. In the same vein, the National Publicity Secretary of the Labour Party, Obiora Ifo, also stated that the Tinubu administration came into power without a clear vision of its foreign policy, adding that this explained why the government has been unable to appoint envoys. He said, "The implication is that a consul or consul general cannot meet with the foreign ministers of any nation. It takes an ambassador to present the position of a country to his country of residence. To even think this government touts itself as one going around seeking foreign investments. Inasmuch we haven't seen any, this is a big blow for Nigeria." Now, the question we want to ask is this: is there a paucity of personalities, career diplomats, or even politicians that this government can send to foreign nations? Everything about this government is politics. Nobody is even saying you should appoint a Labour Party member. Just go ahead and appoint your party members to man these foreign nations. We think that the president should wake up to his responsibilities. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.